Hi friends, it's Anne and welcome to Chronically Home and DIY, where we're crafting our best life. And today we are going to make the cutest, easiest, most elegant looking project that you can make in 5 minutes, and I'm so excited to share. We are making a Deco mesh garland. So I only needed one of these rolls. These are the extra wide rolls of Deco mesh, and I don't even know how much they cost, I'll be honest. I've had this one forever. I think it was like $6 for that 2-pack a billion years ago. So I am taking a 9-foot garland, and I actually ended up taking 2 9-foot garlands, which will fit over a standard door perfectly. So all I did was take my garland, which I already added lights to, and I'm just unwinding some of the mesh, and I'm using the branches of the garland and using those to attach the mesh to the garland. And then I found this really cute ribbon at Dollar General. It was $5 for 30 feet, which is a great price for ribbon. And I'm just doing the exact same thing. I'm just taking a couple of different branches that are in that area, and I am just tying it right on. And then I'm just moving my way down the garland. And I add a tie on about every foot or so, every 12 to 18 inches. I'm just doing the exact same thing. And what I'm trying to continue to do is make sure that the ribbon is always on top of the Deco mesh, so that you can see it because it's skinnier and it just sticks out a little bit better. We want to see that design. You could use 2 different colors of Deco mesh. They do sell Deco mesh at the Dollar Tree. It's a little bit thinner, but it would still look really pretty on a project like this. You could use different types of ribbon. There are just endless possibilities for this project. I'm going to try and edit it out, but you might be able to hear my husband singing in the background as he gets ready to go out. The thing that made this project so easy was just having the capability to just tie this on with the garland ties. Or the garland pieces that are already there. I don't know why I didn't think of this. I was gonna be attaching it with a zip tie and all kinds of craziness, and I saw a video from the 90s that I found on YouTube that I would link if I could find it, but I don't even remember what it was, a while back, that showed doing it this way. So if you have a garland that doesn't have its own built-in little arms like this, then you could use twine or twisty ties off of bread, or sometimes they come with garbage bags, or you could just use zip ties to attach your Deco mesh and your ribbon. Like if you were using like the Dollar Tree garland, for example, that doesn't have any little arms on it. I know that's not what they are, but that's what we're going to call them. It took me longer to pick out the ribbon for this project than it did to actually complete the project. When you get to the end, you just cut off your ribbon, cut off your Deco mesh, and there you go. Your project is done. Make sure you leave a tail that's probably 10 to 12 inches on the bottom, just so you have room to get to the very end of your mesh. I wish that I would have left a longer tail on this end. I would still do like an extra foot of Deco mesh on the very end, because I did on the other side and I really liked the way that it hung and looked better. And you just find the center and start by hanging from the center, and then you go out to the corners and then just let it fall down. And 2 9-foot garlands, 18 feet of garland will cover a standard size doorway just like this one. And I just hung it in 3 places in the center and each corner. And it looks absolutely beautiful around my door. and I'm completely in love with the look. If you want to know how to make the wreath that's in the center, that video will be linked below. Thanks everybody for going on this adventure with me. Keep coming back and craft your best life.